Well, hello everybody. Today we're at a new listing of mine at 11952 West Long Circle over here in Littleton. And we have a great 2-bed, 2-bath condo that we're going to have on the market this weekend with a 1-car attached garage. And it's just, this place is located in the Dancing Willows complex over here in Littleton. And just in great location here, but for shops, restaurants. You have the world famous Red Rocks amphitheater not far from here, minutes away from 470. Just a little bit down the road is easy access to I-70 and also just easy access to downtown. So you're kind of right in the heart of everything here that you're going to need. And this place is a main level unit. It does have some open space and, like I said, main floor living. So anyway, let's give you a tour of this great condo that we're going to have listed this weekend and see what you guys think. Well, check out this spacious kitchen that's in this unit. We have granite countertop here on the island. We have tile countertops over here. Just a great spacious kitchen with plenty of cabinet space and black appliances. Just gives this place a nice look. And then over here we have a great living area with a gas fireplace, some built-in shelving. We have nice high ceilings in here, and like I said, we have some open space over here that just gives you a little bit of some privacy around here too, which is a great added feature to this place. We're in the master bedroom here with a 5-piece master bathroom with a big walk-in closet. And then to finish it off in here, we have one other bedroom right here with a pretty large closet there as well, and also back into the open space, which is nice that it's over on this side of the complex. And then right off the eating area here, you can walk out to your private patio out here. Again, it backs to open space, so you really don't have anybody immediately behind you. And you also have some great storage here as well. So anyway, that concludes the tour of this great condo that's going on the market, like I said, this weekend. Feel free to reach out to me anytime with any questions on this great place. I'm David Novak with David Novak Homes and RE/MAX Professionals, and I hope you have a great day.